President Rodrigo Duterte may be the best president the Philippines ever had, next to Ramon Magsaysay. National artist for literature Sionil Jose said this in his column for the Philippine Star. The most translated Filipino author cited the Duterte administration for the current peace and order situation. The national artist is confident the economy will recover under Duterte's leadership. He also expressed the view that the rebel groups will soon end.
Thank you for watching Politico TV. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more videos.